Hi scholar, welcome to Post Scholars channel. So are you preparing for NECO exam, WAEC exam, JAM exam, or any other college exams, and you are looking forward to the perfect place for preparation? Look no further because we have got you covered. The title of this video is Missing Angles, Vertically Opposite Angles and Coincident Angles. And we have just one problem we are going to look at together, right? Now the question says, from the diagram above, find the size of the unknown angles. So looking at this diagram, the unknown angles are the letter A, 4x plus 20 degree altogether, the size of this angle, and the size of this angle, which is 5x minus 11. It simply means we need to find the value of A, we need to find the value of x. When we have gotten the value of x multiplied by 4, then add it to 20 so that we can get the value of this angle. Similarly, we need to find the value of x multiplied by 5, then minus 11, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Now, this is the diagram, right? Now, take note, the information given to us is that this line, right, and this line are parallel, right? It simply means it does not meet at any point in time, right? Then this is a transversal. Good. Now, with this information, if you remember very well, we talked about cointerior angle in the previous video, right? So these angles and these angles are cointerior angle. It simply means they sum up to 180 degree, or you can still say they are supplementary, because supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180 degree. So this angle and this angle are cointerior, right? So it's simply when you add this and this, you must get 180. So let's add. So we have 4x plus 20 plus 5x minus 11 equal 180 degree. Now what we just did is we added this angle, which is this, and this angle, which is this, and we equated it to 180 degree, right? So next, we simplify, right? When we simplify, 4x plus 5x gives 9x, right? Then 20 minus 11 gives 9. That's positive 9 equals 180 degree. Now, what do we do next? We know that we are looking for the value of x, but before we attempt this, let's subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. So we are subtracting 9 from left hand side and right hand side. When we do that, we have 9x remaining in the left hand side, then equal 180 minus 9, right? So we have 9x equal 180 minus 9 gives 171. That's 171. Then to find the value of x, we simply divide both sides by 9. When we do that, we have divided by 9 divided by 9. Then 9 cancels 9. We are left with x now, right, in the left hand side. So x is equal to 171 divided by 9. That gives 19, right? So we have gotten the value of x as 19. The value of x is 19. So we'll come back to the diagram, right? We have gotten x now as 19, but we want to find the value of this whole angle, right? To do that, we simply substitute the value of x into this algebraic expression. So we have 4x plus 20 becomes 4. We substitute this x with 19 because we now know the value. So 4 into brackets 19 plus 20. And when you do that, you have 4 multiplied by 19, which gives 76, right? So we have 76 plus 20. And when you add that, you have 96 degree. So we have gotten the value of this angle now, right? The size of this angle is 96 degree. So we can just write it here, equals 96 degree. That's the size of this angle. Next, let's find the size of this angle. We already know that the algebraic expression there is 5x minus 11, right? So we can say 5x minus 11 implies, since we know the value of x now, all we do is substitute the value of x into this expression. So we have 5 into brackets. We are seeing x here. So it takes the value of what? 19. So 5 into bracket 19 minus 11. And when you multiply 5 and 19, you have 95. 5 times 19 gives 95. Then minus 11. 95 minus 11 gives 84 degree. Good. Now we have gotten the size of this angle also. The size of this angle is 84 degree. What's left? This angle, angle A. We have gotten this. and what's left is angle A. Now, how do we find angle A, right? Very easy. We have gotten this value as what? 96. Automatically, the value of A will also be, the size of A rather will also be what? 96. What's the reason? Vertically opposite angle, right? Take note, whenever you have two lines intersecting, this value, the angle here and the angle here are the same, while the angle here and the angle here are also what? The same. It's called vertically opposite. So A is equals to B and C is equals to what? D. That means if A is 20 degree, B will also be what? 20 degree. And if D is 70 degree, then C will also be what? 70 what? Degree. So without wasting time, our A is equal to what? 84. Sorry, our A is equal to 96 degree, vertically opposite. So I can present it here by saying A is equal to what? 96 degree. What's the reason? Vertically opposite angle. I believe it is well understood. So we have come to the end of this video. God bless you. Wish to see you in my next video. God bless you and bye.